Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to automatically convert Salesforce leads when a Shopify customer makes their first purchase. This feature converts an existing Salesforce lead into an account and contact, or a personal account, when the corresponding Shopify customer places their first order. So, let's get started by logging into Salesforce. Navigate to the Sync Made Easy app and ensure that the lead conversion on customer first purchase feature is enabled. Also, make sure that the non-purchasing customer lead creation feature is enabled, as it is required for this functionality. With this feature enabled, Sync Made Easy automatically converts qualified leads when customers make their first purchase. This helps reduce manual lead management, keeps customer records accurate, and ensures your sales team can focus on active customers instead of performing manual lead conversions. Now, let's see how this works in detail. Go to your Shopify store and create a new customer, save the customer record. Once you save, then go to Salesforce and search for the new customer that you just created, using Shopify customer ID or customer name or email. Open the lead record and verify the lead. You can also check that the Shopify customer ID has been populated in the lead record. Now, return to your Shopify store and create an order for the same customer in order to check how it converts to qualified lead. Select a product, do all the necessary steps, and mark the order as paid. After the order is created, return to Salesforce and open the lead record. Refresh your org, and you'll find that the lead has been automatically converted. You will see that the lead has now been converted into an account and contact, or a personal account, based on your Salesforce configuration. So, this is how you can automatically convert Salesforce leads on a customer's making their first purchase on your store. I hope this demo has helped you. In case you need more assistance, write us at support@syncmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.